Hello everyone, I am Trupti Pandya and today I will be teaching you Element of Account Standard 12 Part 2 Chapter 2 Debenture Accounting for Debenture. In previous lecture we already completed up to illustration number 18. Today let us start illustration number 19. Illustration number 19. Nirja Limited issued rupees 7 lakh 9% debenture of rupees 100 each on April 1, 2013 at a premium of 5%, which redeemable at a premium of 10% on 31st March 2018. According to provisions of Companies Act, the required investment was made in 8% government securities on April 30 of the financial year in which redemption is due. Debentures were redeemed on the due date. Past journal entries at the time of issue and redemption of debenture in the book of company. Also prepare debenture redemption investments account and debenture redemption reserve account. Answer part. Journal of Nirja Limited. First of all, we have to write the journal entries in the Nirja Limited. 1 April 2013, bank account debit 7,35,000 to 9% debenture application and allotment account 7,35,000. Being application money received on 7,000 debentures at rupees 105 per debenture. 1/4/2013, 9% debenture application and allotment account debit 7,35,000. Loss on issue of debenture account debit 70,000 to 9% debenture account 7 lakh to security premium reserve account 35,000 to premium on redemption of debenture account 70,000. Being transferred to debenture account and securities premium account from application money and also to give an effect of premium on redemption of debentures account. 30 April 2017, debenture redemption investment account debit 1,05,000 to bank account 1,05,000. Being investment made in 8% government security at the rate of 15% of the face value of debentures, 7 lakh into 15%. Now 31st March 2018, bank account debit 1,12,700 to debenture redemption investment account 1,05,000 to interest earned account 7,700. Being investment for debenture redemption is sold and on this interest received for 11 months. 31st March 2018, surplus in statement of a profit and loss account debit 1,75,000 to debenture redemption reserve account 1,75,000. Being 25% of total face value of debentures transferred to debenture redemption reserve account, 7 lakh into 25%. 31st March 2018, 9% debenture account debit 7 lakh, debenture on redemption of debenture account debit 70,000 to debenture holders account 7 lakh 70,000. 9% debenture 7 lakh and when at the time of a redemption there is a debentures account 70,000 and to debenture holders account 7 lakh 70,000 being amount due for redemption of debentures. 31st March 2018, debenture holders account debit 7 lakh 70,000 to bank account 70 lakh 70,000 being payment of amount due to debenture holders. Payment make to debenture holders. 31st March 2018, debenture redemption reserve account debit 1,75,000 to general reserve account 1,75,000 being transfer amount of debenture redemption reserve to general reserve account after the redemption of the debenture. 31st March 2018, interest earned account 7,700 to statement of profit and loss account 7,700 being interest transferred to statement of profit and loss. Now debenture redemption investment account to bank account 1,05,000 by bank account 1,05,000 30 April 2017 and 31st March 2018 transfer to bank account. Now debenture reduction reserve account. 31st March 2018 to general reserve account 1,75,000 by surplus in statement of profit and loss account 1,75,000. This surplus of a profit and loss statement account transferred to general reserve. As per section 17(4) with the rule 18 under section 7, the banking company is not required to create debenture reduction reserve. And second, as per new guideline, infrastructure companies are also required to create debenture reduction reserve at 25% of the nominal value of debentures. When the provision of money for the reduction of a debenture is out of profit. Illustration number 20. Pragna Limited redeemed 7% debenture of a 34 lakh face value at a premium of 8% as on 31st March 2018. For this provision for money was made out of profit of a company. The company invested the required amount as 30 April 2017. Pass necessary journal entries for the redemption of debenture in the book of company with assumptions that it's fulfill provisions of a Companies Act. Also prepare debenture reduction investment account and debenture reduction reserve account. Journal of Pragna Limited. 34/2017. Debenture reduction investment account debit 5,10,000 to bank account 5,10,000. Being investment made at 15% on 34 lakh before reduction of debenture. 31st March 2018, bank account debit 5,10,000 to debenture reduction investment account 5,10,000. Being investment encashed for reduction of debenture. 31st March 2018, surplus in statement of profit and loss account debit 34 lakh to debenture reduction reserve account 34 lakh. Being amount to create a debenture reduction reserve account from profit amount equal to the nominal value of a redeemable debenture. 31st March 2018, 7% debenture account debit 34 lakh, premium on reduction of a debenture account debit 2,72,000 to debenture holders account 36,72,000, being amount due on reduction of a debentures with premium. 31st March 2018, debenture holders account debit 36,72,000 to bank account 36,72,000, being payment of amount due on debenture holder. 31st March 2018, debenture reduction reserve account debit 34 lakh to general reserve account 34 lakh. Here 30 being transferred to balance of a debenture reduction reserve account to general reserve account on the reduction of all the debenture. Debenture reduction investment account to bank account 5,10,000 and by bank account 5,10,000. Reduction investment account is there. Debenture reduction reserve account, general reserve 34 lakh and to surplus in statement of a profit and loss account 34 lakh. Illustration number 21. Morbi Tiles Limited has issued 8% debenture of 16 lakh rupees which are due to be redeemed out of profit on 1/11/2017 at a premium of 5%. The company had a debenture reduction reserve of rupees 5,60,000. It was decided to invest the required amount in proper time in debenture reduction investment. Pass necessary journal entries for the reduction of debentures in the books of company and also prepare debenture reduction reserve account and debenture reduction investment account. Answer part, journal entries in the books of Morbi Tiles Limited. 31st March 2017. Surplus in statement of profit and loss account debit 10,40,000 to debenture reduction reserve account 10,40,000, being necessary amount out of profit transferred to debenture reduction reserve account. Working note number 1. 30 April 2017, debenture redemption investment account debit 2,40,000 to bank account 2,40,000. Being investment made at 15% on rupees 16 lakh. Total face value of the redeemable debentures 1/11/2017. Bank account debit 2,40,000 to debenture redemption investment account 2,40,000. Being amount received on investment for the redemption of debentures. 1/11/2017, 8% debenture account debit 16 lakh, premium on redemption of debenture account debits 80,000 to debenture holders account 16 lakh 80,000, being amount due on redemption of debentures. 1/11/2017, debenture holders account debit 16 lakh 80,000 to bank account 16 lakh 80,000, being payment of amount due to debenture holders. 1/11/2017, debenture redemption reserve account debit 16 lakh to general reserve account 16 lakh, being transfer amount of debenture redemption reserve account to general reserve account on the redemption of all the debentures. Debenture redemption reserve account. General reserve account 1 lakh 1/11/2017, debit side to general reserve account 16 lakh, credit side by balance brought down on 1st April 2016 5,60,000 and 31st March 2017 by surplus in statement of a profit and loss account 10,40,000. So total 16 lakh. Debenture redemption investment account debit side to bank account 2,40,000 30 April 2017 and 1/11/2017 by bank account 2,40,000. Working note, here required amount for redemption of debenture is allocated out of company's profit. Total face value is equal to rupees 16 lakh. Required amount to create debenture redemption reserve account 16 lakh. Less balance of debenture redemption reserve account was in the book of company 5,60,000. Total 10,40,000. Balance amount transferred from surplus in statement of profit and loss. Note. First, when debentures are redeemable at the end of financial year, then at the end of the year, amount transferred to debenture redemption reserve account is from surplus in statement of profit and loss of the respective year. Second, if payment of redemption of a debenture is to be done from capital, then an amount transfer from surplus in statement of profit and loss to debenture redemption reserve account is 25% of total face value or nominal value of redemption of debentures. Third, if payment of redemption of a debenture is to be done from profit, then an amount transferred from surplus in a statement of profit and loss to debenture redemption reserve account is 100% of a total face value or nominal value of a redemption of debentures. Fourth one, when debentures are redeemable during any time in between the financial year, then required amount is to be transferred from surplus in statement of profit and loss of the previous year to debenture redemption reserve account. The amount to be transferred to debenture redemption reserve account has to be calculated as per note number 2 and number 3. Fifth point, required amount for debenture redemption reserve can be transferred from surplus in statement of a profit and loss of the current financial year or previous financial year by the company, but before starting the redemption of debentures. Sixth one, if there is no clarification regarding required amount of redemption of debentures which is out of capital or out of profit, then calculate with the assumptions that company has paid out of capital. Second point, redemption of a debenture in installment by drawing of lots, only theoretical. According to this method, the debentures are redeemed by the company in annual installment. For example, if total debentures is 25 lakh, then from this 5 lakh may be redeemed every year. This serial number of debentures which should be redeemed each year are selected by lottery. This procedure is known as drawing by lots. Debentures are redeemed at par at premium according to the terms of issue. Required amount is transferred to debenture redemption reserve account. for redemption of debentures. For this necessary rules are depicted earlier. Third point, redemption of debenture by purchase of own debenture in the open market. According to the Companies Act, if authorized by Companies Articles of Association, a company can purchase the own debentures in the open market. As example, from a recognized stock exchange, instead of it redeem the debentures, this procedure is usually adopted by the company only when its debentures are quoted at a less price or at a discount on the stock exchange as compared to face value of a debenture or amount of a redemption of a debenture. After purchasing the debentures from the open market, the company may use or either of the following two options. First, company may immediately cancel the debentures purchase after passing the resolution. Company may immediately cancel the debenture purchase after passing the resolutions by board of directors. Second, company may not cancel the debenture but may keep with them. Company can issue them for future. When the company purchases own debenture in the market, then that debenture shall be treated as an investment in own debenture by the company. First, when own debenture are purchased for immediate cancellation. In these situations, the following entries will be passed in the books of company. First, when debenture are purchased at less price as compared to face value of the debenture. For example, if a company purchases its own 700 debentures of rupees 100, each at rupees 97, face value is 100 and purchase in 97 in the open market and immediately cancel them after purchase. Own debenture account debit 67,900 to bank account 67,900, being 700 debentures purchased in the open market at rupees 97 per debenture. Debenture account debit 70,000 to own debenture account 67,900 to profit on redemption of a debenture account 2,100, being cancellation of own purchased debentures. Profit on redemption of debenture is a capital profit. This capital profit should be used to write off any capital loss in the company. Discount on issue of a debenture, premium on redemption of a debenture, etc. This capital profit, if it is not used to write off any capital loss or if it is not used fully, then the balance will be transferred to capital reserve. The entry will be as under. Profit on redemption of a debenture account debit to capital reserve account to loss account if any. When debenture are purchased at more price as compared to face value of the debenture. For example, if a company purchased own 8,000 debentures of rupees 100 each at rupees 104, face value is 100 but purchase on 104 means more value is there in the open market and immediately cancel them after purchase, then its accounting effect are shown here under. Own debenture account debit 8,32,000 to bank account 8,32,000. Being purchased 8,000 debenture from the market at rupees 104 per debenture. Debenture account debit 8 lakh. Loss on redemption of a debenture account 32,000 to own debenture account 8,32,000. Being cancellation of own purchase debenture. Loss on redemption of debenture account is a capital loss. This capital loss is written off against capital profit or in the absence of capital profit is written off from statement of profit and loss. Capital profit if any account debit, capital profit account debit or a statement of a profit and loss account debit to loss on redemption of a debenture account. When the company purchase own debentures in the open market and cancel these debentures, then as per the discussion in the earlier points, the required amount should be transferred to debenture redemption reserve account and also to make debenture redemption investment according to provision of Companies Act and SEBI guidelines. If there is no clarification about this matter in an example or question, then give the effect for the given transaction with the assumption that company has made both these provisions. Second, when the company purchase own debentures in the open market and these debentures are kept as investment. Own debentures are purchased by the company from the open market and kept as investment instead of cancellation of these debentures when company has surplus funds. Instead of investing these funds in the security of other companies or any other securities, it buys its own debentures as an investment. Due to this, following are the advantages. First, sometimes own debentures are available in the open market at discount at less than the face value. Second, company has not to pay interest on own purchased debenture because company itself become a debenture holder. Third, such debenture are kept alive and can again be sold off in the market. Accounting effect. For example, if a company purchase 80,000 of its own debenture at rupees 76,000 from open market and kept this debenture as an investment, then the entry will be investment in own debenture account debit 76,000 to bank account 76,000. Here investment will be shown at the same price. Price for the purchase of debentures, profit or loss in the purchase is not recorded. Investment in the own debentures will be shown normally as a non-current asset on the asset side in the balance sheet as follows. Balance sheet of the company, assets, non-current asset, own debentures, face value 80,000, outer column 76,000. Own debentures will be shown in the balance sheet as a current and non-current asset depending on the time of cancellation. Now, investment in own debenture used for debenture cancellation. When the company uses its investment in the own debenture for the cancellation of debentures in future, then journal entries are to be passed as in the following illustration. For example, a company issued 9% debentures of rupees 1,60,000. The company purchased this debenture at rupees 1,55,000 from the market for the investment. The company has used this investment in the own debentures for the cancellation of issued debentures. Journal entries for the cancellation of the debentures will be as under. 9% debenture account debit 1,60,000 to investment in own debenture account 1,55,000 to profit on reduction of a debenture account 5,000. Profit on reduction of a debenture account debit 5,000 to capital reserve 5,000. So this way, when investment in own debenture may be sold by company in open market. Up to here we completed up to illustration number 21. Thank you very much.